So I'm going to go 1 minus, and then using the formula, it's 7 choose 0 times, what's our probability of being right? 0.2 to the 0 times 0.8 to the 7 plus, let me put this in parentheses, or else I have to distribute the negative. 7 choose 1 times 0.2 to the 1 times 0.8 to the 6 plus 7 choose 2 times 0.2 to the 2 times 0.8 to the 5. And if I calculate those, I'll have my answer. So, very quickly, I'll just simplify these. N choose 0 is always 1. Okay, 0.2 to the 0, well, that's 1 also, so I don't really need that. So it's 1 times 1 times, so 0.8 to the 7 is my first value here. 7 choose 1 is 7. Okay, and then I have times 0.2 times 0.8 to the 6. And then this last one, 7 choose 2, you could do this with factorial, and you would get 7 factorial over 5 factorial times 2 factorial, which is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial, over 5 factorial times 2 factorial. These guys cancel, and 2 goes into 6 3 times, so your answer is 21. Okay? You could also do that with Pascal's triangle, if you have it there. But that's up to you. I showed that on the last video, but then I went over in time, so I'm not going to do it. 21 is 7 choose 2, and then you have 0.2 to the 2nd and 0.8 to the 5th. So, not too hard. We're going to go in now and do an analysis unless it's logged me out because I've took too long. So, calculator. 1 minus, there goes my pen, parenthesis, whoops, parenthesis. Let's see, what do we want? The first one was 0.8 to the 7, arrow over. The second one was plus 7 times 0.2 times 0.8 to the 6, arrow over, plus last one. 21 times 0.2 to the 2nd, arrow over, times 0.8 to the 5th. And we close our bracket. Oh, no, we arrow over, close our bracket, and hit enter. And the answer is 0.14803. And since we have to do it to 4 decimal places, we're just going to put 0.148. And that's going to be it for that. And hopefully that's correct and I didn't make any mistakes. Very good. Practice again. So do I have time? No, I don't. Alright, that's it for this one. Yeah. Now I'll practice again and I'll split the video. Excuse me. So one more practice. Why not? I'm already over on time. So alright. A woman tosses a fair coin 9 times. What is the probability that she gets at least 8 heads? Round your answer to 4 decimal places. This is where that complement rule can really save your life. Let me go, as usual, to here and get a new sheet, and we'll just grab this thing. So it's a fair coin. A fair coin has equal likelihood on both sides. So if you know some stuff, you could save yourself a huge amount of time here. But I'm not going to go into that depth with you. I'd like to, but you'll see it. You'll see it when we get to it. It's going to be cool. Okay. We have a fair coin. It's tossed 9 times. So the probability of success, whether that be heads or tails, is 1/2. The probability of failure is going to be 1/2 or 0.5. they want to know what's the probability that she gets at least 8 heads. So at least 8 heads is 8 or more. Oh, that's not bad at all. I thought it was saying at most 8 heads. Now that would have been something you would use a complement rule on. But at least 8 heads, not a problem. So we're just looking at what's the probability of getting 8 plus the probability of getting 9 plus the probability of getting 10. Oh no, we don't have 10. We just have 9. So just the probability of getting 8 or 9 would meet that condition. Excuse me. So how do I do that? I do using the formula n choose x times p to the x times q to the n minus x. I would find that p of 8 heads is equal to 9 choose 8 times 1/2 to the 8th times 1/2 to the 1. And then p of 9 heads, or all heads, is going to be 9 choose 9 times 1/2 to the 9th times 1/2 to the 0. And I want you to notice something here, that this is 1/2 to the 8th times 1/2, which is 1/2 to the 9th, and this is 1/2 to the 9th times 1/2 to the 0. 1/2 to the 0 is 1. So here and there you have 1/2 to the 9th. So really you just have to figure out these two numbers, add them together, and multiply them by 1/2 to the 9th, whatever that is. Well, these two numbers are super easy because we know 9 choose 9 is 1. So we basically have 1/2 to the 9th times 1. And then 9 choose 8 is 9, I'm sorry. And that's also times 1/2 to the 9th. So basically you add those together and you have 10 times 1/2 to the 9th. If you're doing 1/2 to the 9th, that's the same as 1 to the 9th over 2 to the 9th. And so 2 to the 9th is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512. So you have 10 over 512, but you can reduce that to 5 over 256, and we can put that in our calculator and we'll have the answer. There it is. 5 out of 256. So around 0.04, maybe 0.0385 divided by 256 equals, oh, I stink. I wasn't even close. Totally wrong. Alright, so it's 0.019. Oh, because it's 5, not 1 out of 256. It's 5 out of 256. I'm stunad. So it's about 20%, not 20%, 2%. So 195 would be our answer, and that is all. And that's it for this video. Sorry, this is going to be a first draft. Oh, look, it's throwing me into an assessment because I just finished my pie. Well, I'm not going to record that, and we're done. Bye-bye.